where we dive deep into the world of gaming and bring you the hottest tips and tricks to maximize your experience. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to supercharging your Fortnite adventure with the ultimate XP farming guide. If you're ready to level up faster than ever before and get those coveted Battle Pass rewards, you're in the right place.
Segment 1: Creative Mode XP Farming. First up, we've got a method that's as easy as taking a stroll through the lobby. We're talking about Creative Mode XP Farming. Did you know that you can earn a whopping 12,000 XP every 15 minutes you spend in the lobby? It's true! And here's the kicker, you can collect up to 5 of these bonuses daily. Just imagine how those XP points will stack up. So, remember to time those resets with your daily quests, and you'll be well on your way to rapid leveling.
Segment 2: Creative Maps with XP Accolades. But wait, there's more. Our next strategy involves creative maps with XP accolades. These maps are hidden gems that can supercharge your XP gains. Just keep an eye out for the XP logo on certain creative maps, and you'll know you're in for a treat. Complete specific feats within these maps, and you'll earn even more XP. It's like a treasure hunt within Fortnite, and the rewards are yours for the taking.
Segment 3: Power Leveling and Double XP Weekends. Now, let's talk about seizing opportunities. Power leveling and double XP weekends might not come around often, but when they do, they're like a golden ticket to XP heaven. These events boost the XP you earn from your everyday activities, like looting chests or surviving those tricky storm circles. While they shouldn't be your only method for leveling up, they can give you a significant push when they're available. So, mark your calendars and be ready to maximize your XP gains during these special events.
Segment 4: V-Buck Purchases for Battle Pass Levels. If you're looking to turbocharge your leveling process and save time, consider this strategy: buying Battle Pass levels with V-Bucks. You can purchase up to 100 Battle Pass levels each season, and while it might cost you a bit of V-Bucks, it's a shortcut to those sought-after rewards. Just remember to be cautious when buying 12 to 24 levels for the first time, as the cost is higher than the reduced price for the initial purchase of 25 Battle Pass levels. Stock up on V-Bucks and make the most of this time-saving option.
Segment 5: Quests and Cumulative Rewards. Now, let's talk about quests and cumulative rewards. Engaging in quests and completing daily season and milestones quests will earn you valuable XP. But that's not all. As you tick off assignments, you'll unlock even more cumulative rewards. Keep an eye on those daily quest resets and seize every opportunity to accumulate XP. It's a steady and rewarding path to leveling up fast.
Segment 6: Team up with friends for daily quests. Why do it alone when you can team up with friends? Join forces in modes like duos, trios, or squads to pool your daily quests. This clever trick allows you to access a larger pool of quests and progress together. By working as a team, you can clear more searches and earn extra XP, making the leveling up process a breeze. Fortnite is always better with friends.
Segment 7: Save the World Campaign for XP. Last but not least, don't forget about the Save the World campaign. Completing mission objectives, earning mission badges through exploration, building, and combat can all reward you with precious XP. It's a fantastic way to boost your Battle Pass progress while having a blast in a different Fortnite mode. So, venture into Save the World and reap the rewards.
Bonus segment: Supercharged XP. And now, for the icing on the cake, Supercharged XP. This powerful tool can help you level up rapidly by doubling or even tripling your XP from eliminations and chest openings. It kicks in when you complete daily quests regularly and allows you to catch up on levels effortlessly. Just keep in mind that there's a cap of around 300,000 XP, so use it wisely. When you're close to the cap, the amount of XP gained diminishes, but skipping daily challenges will reactivate supercharged XP until you reach another cap. It's your secret weapon for those times when you need a break from the game or want to level up without logging in every day.
If you found these XP farming strategies helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Fortnite tips and tricks. And remember, the Battle Pass rewards are waiting for you. Go out there and claim them. Until next time, happy gaming!
But before we conclude, I have an exciting announcement. Moonpreneur is on a mission to ignite the flames of entrepreneurship through their futuristic STEM programs. From robotics to game development, they're shaping the leaders of tomorrow. And guess what? They're offering a free 60-minute robotics and coding workshop. So don't miss out. Check out the link in the description to secure your spot and embark on an educational adventure like no other.
That's all for today, gamers. If you enjoyed this epic journey through Fortnite's allure lies in the thrill of leveling up and conquering challenges. With these strategies in your arsenal, you're armed to the teeth for fast leveling and unlocking those exciting rewards. Dive into the Fortnite world, implement these tips, and make the most of your gaming experience. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more thrilling content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep conquering the XP challenges, keep chasing those rewards, and remember, the path to greatness is paved with XP adventures.